In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do really quick and easy colour changes mid-row. So let's say that we want to change to the next colour in this stitch just here. We're going to continue with our next 2 stitches and complete this next stitch before where we want to change colours. We're going to pull up a loop and then take out our hook. And then we're going to take our hook and insert it into the top of the stitch and into that 3rd loop that's facing us. We can now grab our second colour and pull it through, and then you can continue to work your stitches into the rest of this row. Now what you can do with this tail end is just pull on the yarn, and there you have your really neat colour change. If you found this video helpful and would really like some more tips on how to create neat crochet, then you might want to take a look at this video right here.